Hi everybody, hello and welcome. I just wanted to walk you through this. This is a fabric journal, entirely fabric, and I was going to walk you through how I made it, but I got a bit carried away and I've finished it now. So let's have a look at it and then I'll make another one with you. It's not a bad thing because I've thought of different ways of doing things, etc. So, but yeah, let's have a look at this anyway. The fabrics are remnants of fabrics that I don't know where I've even acquired them from. I couldn't even tell you. This, I think, is a piece of Edith. And then the laces I've just been collecting up really for years, not knowing quite what I was going to do with them, but having something like this project in mind. So the cover, I'd say this is furnishing weight fabric, and that's just so pretty, isn't it? It's lovely. We've got a cloth tattered rose here with a little pearl inside to keep Judy happy. And there's lace everywhere, all around it, and it feels so nice and squishy. I haven't put any ephemera in here yet because I thought I would do that with you guys. But you can see there's all sorts of different laces going on. And that's the cover. So as we open it up, we get to this inside page, lace down the side, ribbon down here, and a lovely big pocket in here. And I've gone round, I've shaped it like that. It's just a little bit more interesting. Put ribbon round there, and we've got a nice, I don't even know what you call that, roundel of delicate lace there. This page has got cream lace over it. It's fabric scraps underneath with cream lace over it. Some cream lace here, some pink lace here, pink lace down here, pink, bling. And here we've got a doily, and I've put another one of those quite delicate roses that I actually got from Carey Roberts. She sent me a bag of them. They're marvellous, with a little pearl in the centre. And that, I haven't stuck that down, so this pocket that's right along the bottom is completely open, and we can, stuff that full. This is a joy of fabric because you really can stuff them full. And then as we turn over, this is my favourite lace of all. I love this one. And it's a big side pocket, lots of room for stuff there. This is a mottled pink fabric, but it does have a cream mesh net lace over the top, and some lovely lace down the side here that I've gathered up. Just some paper flowers there with some pearls in the centre, etc. A couple of layers of lace down there, so that's pretty. And then we come to this. This is the centre of the journal. This is just a little piece of ephemera from the Journal Boats Shabby Chic Rose kit, which is beautiful, and that's the papers that I'll be using to make the ephemera for this journal. And just a little bit of this trim actually on there. And I've used some floral cotton, which I've covered in, let me show you, in this lovely white lace here. The camera isn't picking it up too well, but it's covered in white lace, which is so pretty. And then I've gone around here with some frou-frou lace, as I like to call it, some gathered netting lace. I've put this down there. It's just pretty. And this is faux silk ribbon, which is lovely. And it just opens up, and you pull that through the buttonhole, and there we have an envelope. Look how much stuff you can get in there. And I've lined it with silk. This is silk. It's beautiful. Just a very pretty inclusion, that one. And then on the back of the envelope, we've got this big pocket here. I've made this out of a doily, so it is actually curved. I followed the line around with my stitching. So it's a curved pocket, pink lace, pink bow, more of that trim, more white lace. Then here, this is the opposite side to the other big side pocket. Some little flowers there, and gathered lace down there. This is the edge of the lace that covers this whole page, and then this page again with the doily, big bottom pocket there, just lace, it's just lace everywhere. And then this page, this is broderie anglaise, beautiful lace, I love this lace down there. Another one of the little delicate laces, roundels, with a little pink rose on it, and one here, and this is from that kit I was saying about. And then we've got a lovely big pocket here that we can fill with whatever we want. And then the back is just basically, well, I say plain, it's really not plain, it's covered in lace, and look at it, it's just so yummy. The whole thing is totally yummy. So that's that. Our next job is to fill it with ephemera, and I'm going to bring you along with me when we do that. And then when we've remade the journal, you'll have your ephemera to go into it. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. I absolutely adore it. It's gorgeous. So pretty. And I'll see you again very, very soon. We'll make a start to putting the ephemera in here. Okay, bye for now, guys.